Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 2.25 black and white film. As you can see, this little pinhole, which is Hasselblad, pretty famous camera, real nice camera. Well, this is my subject, and also I made this pencil drawing type of image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Actually, I colorized a couple days ago, and I made some illustration type of image by this shooting different shot yesterday, and today this is same subject, but I want to try lighting. Well, not shooting lighting, that this is not close to sunset, but it's not quite much, but pretty much lower angle of the sunlight hit. So last time I finished up just daytime blue background, but today I want to change the background color to be more like sunset atmosphere or something. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna paint this image, so I'm gonna add layer, then change the blend mode to color. Well, last time I used the Adobe Fresco to paint it on, but this time I will try on Procreate. Both soft application is so nice. I really love this app or iPad. Well, now I'm gonna add colors, so I'm going to choose the brush, airbrushing to medium blend as always, then just add colors from nice healthy skin tones first. Well, blue jeans. Okay, now about her. Okay, let's see. Well, I don't know yet. I may change, so I'm gonna go for background and foreground. Okay, let me add, well, closer to there. Okay, I'm gonna add background greens on the foreground and background the little island. Okay, now it's normal blend mode, so change blend mode to color. Okay, then I add colors, so now I want to smudge with the same airbrushing to medium blend. It's going to soften up so much, so I'm going to add more colors. Okay, and let's see, foreground. There is a nice green grass. Okay, now pretty much. Alright, now next. This is for greens. Then I'm gonna add one more layer. Then change blend mode. Then I'm gonna add some nice emerald green ocean. Now I will go for sky. Sky blue. I wanna. Okay, I'm gonna add layer, then leave this blend mode normal. Now this is gonna be the sky texture. Okay, I wanna see the texture this time. So let's see. Painting, maybe watercolor. Let's see. We're looking for sunset. Alright, now I'm going to smudge sunset watercolor. Okay, pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna touch up overall image. Now I want foreground, these balls and stuff. Well, same, yeah, right on here, this area. Okay, choose that recent medium blend. Okay, now I go for, well, touch up for models, makeup, and the skin tones a little bit more nicer. I will change the brush, well, inking to real narrow. Let's see. Oops, that's too much. No. Real narrow lines. Okay, just a touch smudge. Alright, looks kind of sharp image, huh? Okay, looks like a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna rename this. Alright, now let me see. I go with, this is for eyes, and also I wanna make some key light. Okay, just add one more normal blend mode. Then this is for key light. Now I wanna use yellowish. Then I'm going to use smudge tool. Okay, now smudge. Okay, I want to see change blend mode to maybe hard light. Around here, key light. Okay, I'm gonna touch up later. Just key light for this layer. Okay, now overall image. Let's see. Okay, now so far I add some key light. Touch. Okay. Smudge this to clean up. Medium blend. little more smudge. Okay, let's go with this. Alright, this is original shot, black and white. Then I add model's color and foreground. Well, this models and these poles and stuff. Then foreground is green grass and little island, not island. This is the other side of the beach. Then I add sky, which is so this time kind of sunset image. For this color, then this is beach color I add. Real saddle, emerald greens, and beach color. Maybe add some little bit dark blue. Let me see. Last thing, I add some key light image. Add accent. Well, that's about it for today for colorize. Alright. Well, next time I will try to use this pencil drawing type image. Then change the blend mode to the overlay or color burn, linear burn. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I will change for next time. This pencil drawing type image. Now it's normal. Turn it off. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Well, sort of backlit image. That's pretty nice. Feeling of the kind of soft image. Now look forward to next time. Thank you, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Yeah, next time I want to make something, well, soft illustration image. I don't know. Well, see ya.